Hello my dear students. So in this video we are going to solve few examples related to perfect square. Till now we have studied three things. First, a square, what is a square, then what is a perfect square, and the third one is how to test whether the number is a perfect square or not. Now the first example is 196 a perfect square? The first part of the question says, is 196 a perfect square or not? In previous class, we learned how to calculate or how to find whether the number is a perfect square or not. Correct? So here by factorization method, 196 is written over here. 2 say 9 times, then 8. 2 say 4 times, 2 4s are 8 and 2 9s are. Then 7 says 7 times and 7 say 1 time. So can we make the pair here? Yes, we can make the pair. Is equals to 2 multiplied by 7. Now next part of the question says, if so, it means if yes, if 196 is a perfect square, then find the number whose square is 196. Then we need to find the number whose 196 is a square. और जिसका भी 196 स्क्वायर है, we need to find that number. So it is easy. 2 into 7, 2 7s are 14. So 196 is a square of 14. Clear? Like this we need to solve. Now next example. Show that 1764 is a perfect square. Find the number whose square is 1764. Same question, similar type of question. We need to find whether 1764 is a perfect square or not. We will follow the same procedure of finding the factors. 1764. So 2 say 8, 8, 2. Then 2 say 4, 4, 1. Then 3 say 1, 4, 7. Then 3 say 4, 9. Then 7 say 7 and 7 say 1. So let's make the pairs. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So pairs are there. Correct. So now find the number whose square is 1769. We need to find the number also. So how we find the number? 2 square 3 square into 7 square. Like this also we can write pairs now, but we will write here 2 into 3 into 7 is equals to 2 3s are 6, 7s are 42. So 1764 is a square of 42. You can write like this: 42 square is equals to 1764. This is the ultimate answer. Clear? I hope with these two examples you are able to find out whether the number is a perfect square or not. Now let's take a question which we need to check whether it is a perfect square or not. So show that 6292 is not a perfect square. It already says that it is not a perfect square, but we need to show it. No problem, we will show it by factorization method only. 6292. 2 3s are 2 1s are 2 4s are 8 and 2 6 are. Clear? Then again 2 1s are 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are and 2 3s are. Clear? Then again 1 5 7 3. Okay, so it will be divisible by it will not be divisible by 3, then 7, no, 11. Let's try with 11. Okay, so here 11 ones are 11, 50, it will be 11 4s are 44, 3 carry, 11 3s are. Okay, then again 11 ones are 11, 3 33, so 13, and 13 will be here. So 2 multiplied by 2 into 11 into 11 into 13. As you can see, 2 has a pair, 11 has a pair, but 13 does not have a pair. It means that it is not a 6292 is not a perfect square. Whenever we are getting, what does the word perfect means? Perfect means no mistakes or no imperfection. Nothing is left out. So here, as you can see, the question seems complete. But similarly in this question, the question is incomplete. It seems like the question is incomplete. So whenever we are not getting the pair, and according to definition also, according to test also, correct? So we are not getting the pair, that's why this number is not a perfect square. Clear? Now coming to the next question, just see the question very properly, understand it, because these type of questions you have to solve in your exercise. By what least number? First of all, what is written? Least. Least means smallest. Number should 3675 be multiplied. We have to multiply to get a perfect square number. Also find the number whose square is the new number. So we will first solve the first part of the question, that is, by what least number should 3675 be multiplied to get a perfect square number. So they are asking about the perfect square number now, so that's why we need to do the factorization. So 3675. Clear? So first of all, 5 is there, so 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are. Then again with, not with 3, because 5 it is, so 5. 5 twos are 10, 22, 5 fours are 20 and 5 fives are. Then again with 5, 5 fours are 20 and 45, 5 nines are. Then 7, 7 sevens are 7 ones are. 3675 is equals to 3 multiply by 5 multiply by 5 multiply by 7 multiply by 7. As you can see, 5 has a pair and 7 has a pair, but 3 doesn't have a pair. So in these type of questions, as you can read the question again, that they are asking by what least number should 3675 be multiplied. If we multiply or if we give the pair to 3, let's check it. Multiply by 3, so 3 will also get a pair, right? Then 3675 multiply by 3 is equal to 3 fives are 15, 1 carry, 3 sevens are 21, 22, 2 carry, 3 sixes are 18 and 2, 20, 2 carry, 3 threes are 9 and 2, 11. So we need to check whether this number is a perfect square or not. Although this is not required, because they are asking about the multiplication, by which number we have to multiply. So we have got the answer 3, because here only we are getting the pairs, and if we are getting the pairs, that means that the number is a perfect square. For your concern, you can check. We will get the same factors, because by multiplying 3 only we have got this. Now we need to check one thing, which number, like also find the number whose square is the new number. We got the new number, that is 11,025, right? Now we need to check whose square is this number. So how we will do, we have made the pairs 3 ka square multiply by 5 ka square multiply by 7 ka square. So we'll write 3 multiply by 5 multiply by 7 is equals to 3 fives are 15, 15 sevens are 105. So the new number is a square of 105. Is it clear? Again, I will make you understand the question. By what least number should 3675, least means chota number, small number, be multiplied, not greater number. Multiply, किससे multiply करेंगे to get a perfect square number. Also find the number whose square is the new number. So first we need to check whether this is a perfect number or not. As from the question, it is clear that this is not a perfect square. Clear? So we need to calculate the factors. 3 say we time and by factors we get 3 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. Okay, 5 has a pair, 7 has a pair, but 3 doesn't have a pair. So it is clear that we need to multiply by 3 and we will get a new number that will be a perfect square. है ना? So now next what we need to do, we need to find a number whose square is this new number. So we will multiply the factors and we will get the number like we have done here. This one. है ना? We have done here, na? 3 into 5 into 7, 3 5s are 15, 15 7s are 105. So 105 ka square is equals to 11,025. Clear? Okay. Now next question or the last example. By what least number should 6300 be divided to get a perfect square number? Find the number whose square is the new number. In last question we have they asked about the multiplication. Now here they are asking about the division. Okay, so again we will solve in the same way. We will do the factors 6300. So 2 say better we will do with acha chalo let's start with 2 only. It will be 20 30. 2 3s are 6. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are then 0 for 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 2 7s are 2 5s are then 3, 3 5s are 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are then 3, 3 1s are 3, 22, 3 7s are 21, 15, 3 5s are okay. Then again with 5, 5 3s are 15, 25, 5 5s are then 5 7 and 7 is left over. As we can see that 7 is the number which is not having a pair. Here we will write 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 5 multiply by 5 multiply by 5. If we divide with 7, then it will be cancelled and we will get the pair 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5 is equal to 2 3s are 6 5s are 30. So the new number that we have got, that is square of 30. And 30 we can just 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are, we can get the new number also. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are how much? 36. 36 into 25. If you will multiply, you will get the number, or by avoid this much of calculation, just calculate the square. 30 into 30. You need not to calculate the number. They just want the number which is having the square. Okay, they just need the number, and the number is this 30. So 30 into 30, 100, 0000, 3 3s are 9, 900 is the new number. Clear or not? Understood? So this was the last example. These type of questions you will be facing in your exercise 3A. Okay, and I hope that if you have not understood the questions in one go, then just try to see the video again. Don't waste the time and don't let it go कि अरे समझ में आ जाएगा बाद में आ जाएगा. No, it will not. Just try the questions. Okay, see the video again and again. Then also problem you are facing, you can ask in the class. Okay, thank you.